Harav Moshe Bוטריל, on his perush and Sefer Yצירה, Perek Aleph, Mishnah Aleph, brings a couple very interesting ideas I thought I'd share. The first is, he's talking about the people who argued against Avraham Avinu in his time, had different opinions against the unity of Hashem. One of them was those that believed in two, those that believed in three, and those that worshiped the sun. But this idea of those that believed in two, he says something interesting. That you can't have one, according to them, because you have a God that does kindness, and you have a God that does wickedness, or the source for good in this world and the source for bad in this world are two things, according to them. And when Paroh saw all the plagues, he was of this opinion that this God of theirs was the God of bad. And so he says, you want to go out to the desert and serve this God? So that's the expression that he says, Ki ra'a neged pniכם, that the one that's bad is in front of you. So that's an interesting perush on that pasuk. Now, the other interesting idea is the idea of 10. How you have 9, and then the 10th is holy. And where is it? So you have 10 statements. You have 9, and one is unique. I guess the Bereshis. You have 9 galgalim, and the 10th is holy. You have beyond the 9 orbits, you have, so to speak, the spiritual realm and the realm of holiness. You have 9 holes in a person, and the 10th, meaning to say in the person's head, and then the 10th hole is holy, the bris kodesh. You have 9 strengths, abilities of the soul, kochos hanefesh, the imaginative, the one that awakens, the sustaining hazan, v'chamisha chushim, in 5 senses. And v'hasichli, the intellect, hu asiri hu kodesh. That is the holy one. That's the holy faculty of man, is their intellect. Aseret kochos miskali mikocho. You have 10 spheros, you have 10 abilities that are revealed from Hashem. That are and then you're going to have the concept of Keser Malchus, which is the 10th. And he says something interesting. He says this is hinted to in the word Shmiני Atzeres. And the word Atzeres is like Aseres. That the gathering in is in the 10th. And it also hints to when you attach yourself to Hashem, the one, the unity, it's like Yoresh Etzer. It's a concept of kingship, Malchus, which is Yoresh Etzer, the pasuk of to inherit kingship. The word Etzer, Ze Yatzur Be'ami, these are psukim. The word Etzer hints to kingship as well. That the 10th is holy. And that's why there's a custom, there's a takana to say, V'ani brov chastecha avavesecha eshtacha ve'elheichal kodshecha b'yirasecha, when you walk into a shul, because it has 10 words. And it hints to the fact that you're going to have this asara, the minion, and the 10th man is the holy. And that's when Hashem comes to shul and there's not 10, he says, Madua basi ve'en ish. He says, why have I come and there's no man? And the word ish is Rashi Tevos, Amen Yeheshme Rabba. It's that 10th man is the holiness as well.